Okay, this video will be very short. Actually, I've already spoken about the Forex news, but I just want to stress on certain things. I didn't mention a lot of things which I would like to bring your focus on. Just some few points. Yeah, I spoke about the colors. Yeah, the green actually indicates the news was good for the currency. Yes, I didn't spoke about the red. The red colors danger, meaning it wasn't good for that particular currency once you see red colors. So with this, the red 1.38 million building permits, they had 1.42 in mind, but instead of that 1.42, they got 1.38, which was even below or lesser than the previous, which means it wasn't good. Yeah, so that is it for the red ones. And we have the normal colors, the black ones. You see this color is the same as this, is the same as this. What is telling you is just compare the values. They are almost the same. The values are almost the same. Like it was neutral, nothing was happening. The influence was less, something like that. So this one to like those are the things. So once you see values like this, it means the effects remain neutral, and that is what you are supposed to think about or focus on. And we have another part, like with the Forex news. What if you want to see the news actually, all these that are printed here, once you click on this news, you have the news. So you see that 11 minutes ago there was a news release, US dollar strengthens, you understand? And Trump, where is it's too late, power, he should be dropping rate immediately, not waiting for the next. So if you want to at least read all the news too, you have it here. And this news too, they are aligned with what is here at the calendar stage. So today is Friday. Let me scroll to the Friday part, March 13th. And March 13th, as at 7 a.m. there will be news released at 7 a.m. Yes. And there will be one also released like with pound. It is one of the critical one, the GDP. So the GDP, let me click on it. So as I mentioned, actual greater than forecast is good for currency, and also they are released monthly about 40 days after the month ends. So once every 40 days after the month end, we have this news. So why traders care? Why do we care about this? It's the broadest measure of economic activity and the primary gauge. The GDP, the economic people. Once this is going well, this is green, it means the currency is good. You understand? And it may have influence if I click on the pound, because this news is being released even before it's released. You can see how price is reacting, because many, especially if traders are the sentimentals, if they are expecting that the pound will be good, or the fundamentals, they expect the news will go well, they will even start they'll be in the position to trade in favor of the pound. Or if it will go if it doesn't go well, they also trade against the pound. Right now, pound USD, you can see that the graph is going down, which means the USD part is stronger than the pound. You understand? And if the news doesn't go well, and already the graph, my analysis shows that we are going down all the way to where I showed this place, which means I'll be looking for more opportunity. Maybe when price returns to this place, I will just short all the way to this place. So that is it. So with the market, as I explained, maybe let me talk about the news, only the news. Yeah. So you just click on any of the pairs and it will be updated. What actually happened on that at that particular side. Here to the Trump case, you can just click on the Trump case, and so we are totally destroying the terrorist regime of Iran, military, economically, and otherwise. Yet if you read the fellow New York Times, you would incorrectly think that we are not winning. So this is what Trump too is saying. People are just taking advantage, and especially those trading in other currency, like other areas like oil, the metals. If a particular country is failing, maybe fuel, maybe Iran is the main provider of fuel and they are suffering. Actually, it is going to affect the whole economy, because right now they are not in the right state to give us those things, and their production will be something. Somebody who is also dealing with them will have to make sure if he has barrels of oil or fuel somewhere, he will keep it, knowing that very in a short while there's going to be like an issue with getting those fuel, and prices are actually going to go high. Those are the demand and the supply theories. So those are the things. And the last thing is, once you come to a calendar, if maybe you are dealing with only pound, some people would like to filter only the currencies that they want. So you can just navigate your way around it. And even the high impact news too, some people are also able to filter. We have the search event here, and we have the filter here. So with the filter, you can just, somebody can just highlight on, maybe I can just take these ones out and shows only those with the red, the high impact, or maybe medium. I'm considering only the medium and the high impact alone. And the currencies too, the ones you are interested. I'm not interested in AUD. The chef, I'm not interested. CNY, I'm not interested. Euro, pound, JPY, if you are interested, you can leave it. So this one too, yes, once you are done, and here, like apply for this week, you can choose tomorrow, yesterday, yeah. So once I click on this, and the event types too, some people are basically interested in few of them, maybe central banks, employment, inflation, growth, yeah. But mostly I leave all of them. But once these two are at least chosen or selected, let me take this one out. This one is a neutral part. So you just click apply filter, and you can see that all the news that are coming are the major ones, you understand, and these are my focus. Okay, once again, please subscribe and hit the like button, subscribe and share with others. In no time, we are going to we are going to know more about the forex. All right, thank you.